As the witness of Industrial Age 4.0, Higher Water Heater Corporation commits to lead the product trend and to meet users' demand. Higher Smart Interconnection Factory widely adopted advanced manufacture technology. Its yearly capacity is up to 1.4 million units. Higher Smart Interconnection Factory utilizes Cosmoplat Intelligent Manufacture Platform, which substantially changes the concept of traditional production. It connects upper and lower supplier resources to direct demand from end users. The intelligent processing and interconnection capability lead to the continuous upgrade of full procedure capability. Unlike traditional factory, it lets user participate in demand initiation, product design, manufacture, logistics, and other related process. It successfully fulfilled users' growing diversified and customized demand. Higher Smart Appliances Interconnection Factory has Higher Water Heater's newest industrial design, manufacture technology, and concept of sale. Intelligent manufacture is applied to all procedures. Fully automatic color casing production line, unattended automatic stretching. Leakage rate is reduced by 67%. Sanding and enamel procedures are improved by 30%. 930 degrees centigrade high temperature sintering. Increase tank lifetime by 20%. Helium vacuum box test. Tank leakage will be tested out 100%. Efficiency improves by 30%. Solar tablet manufacture line using Austria GOT advanced technology is a leading intelligent solar water heater manufacture line. Unattended laser welding with CCD welding joint monitoring system. Welding process is monitored remotely and managed precisely. Automatic glue injection process and full procedure RFID tracking ensure the quality of product. Times are changing. The unchanged theme is Higher Water Heater's original heart. It is technology innovation that lets Higher Water Heater lead the development of the industry. From user demand to product iteration, Higher built a global competitive factory in the era of Industrial Age 4.0.